Here's a quick video on my 2020 Ram 1500 Classic Tradesman. I'm making this video because I couldn't find a straight answer online on what the hell I needed to do to put 35-inch tires on my truck. Some say you need to lift it 3 inches, you need new control arms, you don't need new control arms, you need springs with the shocks, all kinds of things. It seemed like everybody was saying something different. So I took it to 407 Sunset Customs here in Kissimmee, Florida. They had really good reviews, and this is what they do, so they would know best. For 35-inch tires on this truck with factory rims, they suggested 2-inch spacers behind my wheels, new springs to raise the front of the truck 2 inch higher, leveling the truck, then an alignment to finish the job. I went ahead and let them do it. They hooked my truck up. I mean, look at this thing. I got the Needle Ridge Grappler tires, 35, 12.5 by 17. They fit perfect. I forgot to ask them if they had to trim some of the inside wheel well. It doesn't look like it though. Let me show you how much clearance the tire has. I got plenty of space over here. Let's check the other side. Plenty of space. Here are the new springs too. I just got off the highway too. It was a smooth, quiet ride. I'm not disappointed with the end results at all. I'm gonna walk around the truck for a bit, let you check it out. You know what? I'm gonna end this video with some before and after pictures. But before I do, I gotta throw in a quick plug. Check out my other video on how to make this collapsible ladder rack that can easily be stowed away. I'll put the link at the end of this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. If this helped you out, help me out. Hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.